If your Face ID is not unlocking your iPhone, don't panic. Here are a few steps to fix it fast. First of all, clean the front camera. Make sure the true depth camera area right above the screen is clean and not covered by dirt, smudges, or your case. Next, check lighting and position. Ensure you're facing the camera directly in good lighting. Face ID works best when you can clearly see your face from arm's length. After that, restart your iPhone. A quick restart can often solve minor glitches, and for that, press and hold the power plus volume up button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on after a few seconds. After that, check Face ID settings, and for that, go to your Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Here, enter your passcode to continue. After that, make sure iPhone unlock and other options are turned on. Tap Set up Face ID if it's not already set. Next, try updating your iOS. This can fix bugs affecting Face ID. And if nothing works, try resetting Face ID. In the same settings menu, tap on Reset Face ID, then set up Face ID to rescan your face. If it's still not working, it could be a hardware issue. Visit an Apple support or go to support.apple.com for help. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.